Hey, are you looking for awesome aquarium fish that won't break the bank? In this video, you'll learn about 5 beginner-friendly fish you can buy for under $10. They're easy to care for, super fun to watch, and honestly, just perfect for small tanks. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-frills fish care videos that'll save you both time and money. So, not all fish are created equal, especially if you're just starting out. The best starter fish should be hardy, which means they can tolerate minor water quality issues. They should also be inexpensive, usually under $10 per fish. Peaceful is key, not aggressive or territorial at all. Small in size is great, especially for tanks under 20 gallons. And of course, they should be easy to feed, accepting flakes, pellets, or even frozen food. First up, zebra Danies. These little guys usually go for about $2 each. For zebra Danies, you'll want a tank that's at least 10 gallons. What makes them great? They're incredibly hardy, super active, and can even live in cooler water, which is perfect if you don't have a heated tank. One quick care tip, be sure to keep at least 5 together to prevent any nipping. Next up are Plateies, which usually cost around $3 to $4 each. You'll want a tank that's at least 10 gallons or bigger. They're awesome because they're super colorful, peaceful, and honestly, pretty easy to breed. Oh, and here's a quick tip. Males are actually less aggressive than females, so it's a good idea to keep a mix or even just all males, if you want to avoid overbreeding. Now let's talk about Corridorus Catfish, usually priced at about $4 to $6 each. These guys need a tank that's at least 15 gallons. They're fantastic bottom dwellers and really help clean up any leftover food. Plus, they're peaceful and super social. For the best behavior, you should definitely keep them in groups of 3 or more. Number 4, Whitecloud mountain minnows, usually priced around $2 to $3 each. These little guys do best in tanks of 10 gallons or more. They're awesome because they're cold water tolerant, super peaceful, and really active swimmers. Oh, and here's a care tip, Whiteclouds are perfect for unheated tanks, just make sure to keep them in groups of 6 or more. Number 5, male Guppies, which go for about $1.50 to $3 each. You only need a 5-gallon tank to get started. Guppies are amazing for beginners thanks to their bright colors, they're really hardy, and they're always on the move. If you're worried about overbreeding, all-male tanks are the way to go. They're easier to maintain, and you won't be surprised by baby fish. If you're just starting out, try starting small. A 10-gallon kit with a filter and light can run you about $30 to $50. Make sure to cycle your tank first, either with bottled beneficial bacteria or just by letting it cycle naturally before adding any fish. Oh, and don't forget to check out local stores or look for online deals. Big box stores and local fish clubs often have discounts or bulk prices. And yeah, feeding small amounts every day really helps prevent overfeeding and keeps your water nice and clean. Want more budget fish care tips and beginner tank guides? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video that makes fish keeping simple and affordable.